going to do is we're just going to DIY them. Okay, before we get into this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the bell notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. So let's get right into it. Okay, so first we have some cocoa in here. I put the hot cocoa in there. Now we're going to add some more cocoa. You need as much cocoa as you can put in there. Okay, so now you have the cocoa. And then now, sorry if my bottom was in the way. But now we have the sugar in case you might want sugar in your hot cocoa. And I am wearing pants under this, just so you know. So you have the sugar. This is all sugar. Take a scoop of sugar. I'm going to put it into there. Okay. So it looks like it's more sugar than hot cocoa. But you can add more hot cocoa into it if you want to. And you can put like marshmallows or like hot chocolate chips in there. But I would put chocolate chips. I have a few chocolate chips in here, so it's gonna, yeah, this looks like, if you can see that, I don't know if you see it. And then you will typically cover it, and then tie it with a bow. This is what it looks like. I mean, it looks kind of aesthetic. Yeah. Well, the bow's not really that pretty, but yeah. You can like add more things to it if you want to like add more stuff inside of it. But that is a finished product. That's what that aside. Now we're going to do. We're going to do the body scrub. So now we're at the body scrub. So with the body scrub, you have a jar. You can be any size jar you want. Okay. So we have the sugar. So this is the sugar. I'm trying to get on, but now it's gonna put I was gonna put all the sugar. Gonna put the sugar into this container, as you can see. Oops. Okay, so now you put the sugar. So down for the sugar. Now it's time for the flour and the baking soda. So now you're gonna get some. Just gonna put all this flour inside there. I think flour could help. So I'm putting flour. Also use the flour. Now it's time to put the baking soda. This technically don't even look like body scrub. This looks like a cake mix. You don't gotta mix it, but I kinda mixed it. Okay. So after that, that's all pretty much tied up, and then that's what you have there. That's pretty much body scrub. You're gonna need to add cake mix and put more stuff of it for a cake mix if you want to. Yeah. That's what done. Now we're gonna do is this. Okay. So I have a box here. Okay. So I have a box, and what you're gonna do is pretty much your friend that likes tea very much. So if you do you're gonna put all of their favorite types of tea that they like. So like a mini box or like a little gift bag, like a little basket. So this one is nori ginger herbal tea, Caribbean Dreams. So I'm just gonna place that in there, like a lot of them in there. And then you got some peppermint. I think these are the peppermint tea. And then you got some ginger tea, I think. Not ginger tea, some other tea. And then if you have in the thing, you can give them like a little gift card, put in there. But before that, like put the gift card under the tea. And then put the tea in there. Like any type of their favorite tea. And then you're gonna seal it. And then there you have like your little, yeah. Or you could just actually just put only the gift card in there and just leave it in there. Okay, that's all. That's for like the gift card. Not the gift card, the little gift box. You have that. Next is you have this little container. Okay, so next we have this little container. So in this little container, the remaining of the sugar, we're going to put a little bit of sugar into it. Okay, just leave it the sugar. Now flatten out the sugar a little bit. After you flatten out the sugar, I'm just going to get some oil or some water, and we're just going to put it into it. Okay, so now since I have the sugar, I came back with the water. So now I put water into this. I put water in this slime at the very bottom, but there's no activator, and it's just water. Just gonna put some. Oh, it was not. Cover it away. You can put oil or water if you like. Technically, it's your choice. So now you're gonna mix it. Okay. Put in like brown sugar, you can put white sugar. Doesn't really matter. Okay, and then you're going to cover it, and there goes your little lip scrub or like lip oil to put around your lips if you want to, for a friend or for yourself. Like you pamper yourself. And that's it for this video. Hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me if this actually helped you, or these were actually good gifts ideas to actually give to your friends or someone in your family or somebody. And like, subscribe, comment down below. And also, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification bell to be notified when I post a new video, which is be tomorrow or next time.